Hello guys, welcome back my YouTube channel Salesforce. So if you are new in this channel, so you can subscribe my YouTube channel like Salesforce. So like Salesforce. And if you are new in JavaScript and if you want to learn JavaScript with LWC point of view, so you can click this playlist like learn JavaScript in Lightning Web Component, and you can get more content for the LWC point of view. Okay, so today I'm going to show you like the string method in JavaScript for LWC. So let me open my notepad, and here you can see there are so many methods, but this is the some most important method for LWC. Okay, and here you can see first method is includes, second indexOf, start with, slice, to lowercase, to uppercase, and trim. So let me open my editor and I will explain each and every methods in brief. Okay, so again, if you like this content, so please subscribe my YouTube channel, like, share, comments. Okay, so let me open my editor. So here you can see this is the HTML snippets. Okay, and in this HTML script snippets I am using script tag for the JavaScript. Okay, so suppose that I have one string like as a let, as you know very well let. If you don't know, so you can watch my playlist and you easily understand what is let, where, and const. Okay, so let like as a MSG, and this MSG contains some string like as a welcome to Salesforce hunt, something like that. Okay, so this is the string, and how to print this string? So with the help of some print statement in JavaScript, so we can print like as a console.log and give your message name like as a message, then semicolon and execute. So here you can see in console like as a welcome to Salesforce hunt. Okay, so let me explain first method. So here you can see like as a include. So how to use that? So just open the editor and just remove this console first, and if you have some string and you want to execute that method in particular string, so you can use like as a msg dot includes. Okay, includes, then give your string. If any string is available in particular, we can say that message. Okay, so let me copy this welcome, and it's always written as a boolean value. Okay, always remember. And let me store in one variable like as a result equal to, and let me print this result like a console.log and result. Okay, and if let me execute this code, and here we go. So here you can see like as a true. Let me clear this console and again hit the run button. So here you can see like as a true. So includes always written as a boolean value true and false. If any words, or we can say some string is exists particular message or particular string, so it's always written as a true, otherwise it is always written as a false. So it's a kind of to checking the string is available in particular string or not, so you can use this include method. Okay, so let me explain another method like as a, here you can see like is index of. So I want to check two index here, this two index in my code. So what is the index of this? So it's always written as an integer value because index always comes as a number. Okay, you know very well. So here you can see like as a let. Okay, then ind equal to msg dot index of, which index you want, like two index I want. So what is the index of 2? So you can see here in console.log, and just print the ind and execute this. Just let me clear this and execute. So here you can see two index is 8. Okay, so you can check each and every string index one by one based on your requirement you can use. Okay, so this is the index of method. So let me comment here like include includes. Okay, and this is indexOf. And now I'm going to explain another one, like as a start with. So suppose that your string start with like as a welcome to Salesforce and something like that, so it's always written as a boolean like true false value. Okay, so how to do that? Like as a msg dot start with method, and this is start from like as a welcome or not. Okay, suppose that, and it's always written as a boolean value, so you can store in particular like as a bool equal to something like that, and you can print like as a console.log and then bool value. Okay, and execute it. Okay, so here you can see like index of. Okay, fine. Some error is defined. Okay, so let me fix it. So that is the my mistake, because I did not give any comments for index of, that's why it's throwing this error. So let me clear this, and again you want to execute, so you can execute here. Again it's showing like a start with is not a function, or let me check with this one. So here you can see this error like I start with, and this is my mistake because this is it starts with. Okay, once you execute this code, so you can see the output here like as a true. Okay, so this is coming from start with. Okay, so this is a third method like as a start with, it starts with. And now let me explain another method like as a slice. Okay, so slice is a very most important method in string manipulation. Okay, so suppose that I want to take some string like some particular index to like as a start with and end with, like msg dot slice, and you can put like as 0 to 5 index. So I want to take this string, so how to do that? Just str equal to store some particular variable and console.log, and just put your string like as str and execute this. Okay, so here you can see like it's a val co. Okay, I want to take all the welcome message. How to do that? Just put your index as a 7 and execute this. So here you can see in last like as a welcome. So slice is very useful method, we can say that, for string manipulation purpose. Okay, and let me explain another method like as a two lowercase and two uppercase. So here you can see this is my string. Okay, and I want to take like as a let to up equal to msg dot that to uppercase. Okay, then console this application like as a to up and execute this. And here you can see my whole string is a capital letters, you can see. So this is the another way to uh, uppercase the particular string. Okay, if you want to take this lowercase, so you can take like as a uh, let to down, something like down equal to 2 up dot to lowercase, something like that, lowercase. Okay, and just print like as a console.log, and just two down, this two down number, and here you can see like all the string should be like as a small. Okay, so this is the way to work with string. And last is trim. To trim also is the most important methods once you working in validations, like as a some spaces is there in particular input box, and that spaces you want to avoid that, so you can use trim, because end user doesn't know what is spaces between the blank spaces between these strings. Okay, so this is the way to find and avoid the spaces between the string. So how to do that? Suppose that this is my string, I want to take some space between the welcome and this is small quotes, here you can see, and you have to just use like as a st equal to some msg dot trim method. So it's always remove the spaces like as a start and end. You can see this string. Okay, so once you did this, so you have to print like as a console.log like as a st, then execute this method. So here you can see this last one. Okay, like I say, welcome to Salesforce. So this is the way to work with string methods. So I hope guys you will be like this video, because it's very most important methods in the JavaScript purpose as well LWC point of view. So if you like this video, so please subscribe my YouTube channel Salesforce. Such okay, so we will meet soon. See ya. Thank you. Bye bye.